Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special in store for you. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 student laptop. If you're a student or a professional seeking a powerful, yet portable device, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and tips. Now, let's get started. Introducing the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 student laptop. The perfect blend of power and portability. With an Intel dual-core processor under the hood, this laptop ensures smooth multitasking for your daily needs. But that's just the beginning. A whopping 20 GB RAM ensures snappy performance, whether you're running multiple applications or tackling complex projects. Storage woes? Not with the IdeaPad 1. Featuring a 128 GB eMMC plus 1 TB SSD. You get the best of both worlds. Speed and ample space to store all your documents, projects, and multimedia files. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless computing. But it's not just about power. The 15.6-inch FHD display delivers crisp visuals, making your movies, presentations, and projects come to life. And with Windows 11 Home, you get a user-friendly interface with all the latest features at your fingertips. Wait, there's more! The IdeaPad 1 comes with 1-year Office 365, ensuring you have the essential productivity tools for school or work. Plus, stay connected with Wi-Fi 6. Capture those important moments with the built-in webcam. And enjoy the convenience of Bluetooth and an SD card reader. All in a sleek and stylish gray design. And there you have it, folks, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 student laptop. Your gateway to efficient and enjoyable computing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, this is Realtecshop, signing off. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for more tech insights and reviews. See you in the next video.